Hi, this is Chef Pachi with 4 snacks with red salsa.
Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Hi, this is Chef Pachi with 4 snacks with red salsa. Delicious salsa for tortillas, tostitos, and all sorts of wraps, sandwiches, and delicious meals. So what we have is a cup of cilantro, a red onion that is finely diced, half a bell pepper that's also small diced. This is a whole one, but they're actually very small. So you can add 1 or half. Add a pinch of salt and pepper if desired when you're done. And 2 cups of finely chopped tomatoes. These are delicious. It's amazing. Now you mix the cilantro, the onion, and the bell pepper with the lime juice. Right before you serve it, you add an extra lime. It is a total of 3. Why do we add some first to the mix? So that the leaves are all coated with lime and they are fresh and perfect. Some of our snacks are going to be with avocado. So I want to show you about how much comes out of 1 Hass avocado. It's about a cup. Hass avocados are smaller, but they are dense and they make a thicker cream if you mash them, and they're easier to keep their shape when you peel them and cut them. 1 serving is 1/4 of a Hass avocado. Check it out, it's about a cup for 1 of the avocados. Now we're gonna place it in a serving dish, add some lime, a pinch of salt and pepper, and this lime is gonna keep it perfectly green. And we drop some of our salsa. Like this, anyone can serve themselves and have a beautiful snack. And it's gonna last a long time. It's gonna be beautifully green and perfect. Our next snack is an avocado toast. So we can keep the avocado pieces whole, or we can smash them on top of the bread. Then we add some salsa, and voila, another snack. For a bigger snack, we have a tuna sandwich, and we just add our tuna that was packed in water. This was bonito tuna with a red salsa, some avocado on the side, so all of the filling doesn't ooze out. For our last one, just make a big crab boil or shrimp boil or crawfish boil, serve it in the middle of the table, and each person gets a small cup of salsa. Delicious diets are sustainable diets. Enjoy! Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.